In front of me is ACER Iconia A10, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in split screen view. Begin by launching two apps you wish to use in this view in the background. Then click on Split Screen in Background Apps, so split under the first app you see, and tap on the second one. As you can see now, I can use both at once. If you wish to go back from this mode, drag one of your apps all the way to the right or to the left and hit Home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!